Hey, so we are finishing up on our last full week of math maintenance. So what that means is that you completed a problem every day, hopefully, and you watch these videos to see how you did. This is the last video, and it has to do with prime factorization, but more so, I'm going to say it has to do with using a math strategy or a testing strategy, which is using the answer choices. So using the answer choices, you're probably used to this. You've probably done it before, and it's a really great strategy for this test because we only have a certain amount of time. So we want to use the method that's the most convenient and the most efficient. So this question says, which expression represents the prime factorization of 4,719? Prime factorization is when we find all of the prime factors that together multiply to the given number. So since we have numbers that are already here, there's two questions I want to ask myself. I want only prime numbers. And I want the product. I want when I multiply them all together, it's got to equal 4,719. So I'm looking at my answer choices and I immediately want to eliminate C and D. And that's because 121 is not prime. It has factors, the factor 11, right? 11 times 11 is 121. And 39 is also not prime. It's 3 times 13. So we can recall that a prime number only has factors of 1 and itself. So therefore, these two are automatically out. I only need to test one answer now, and that would be answer choice A, because if A doesn't work, A is the beginning of B, right? So I can start by doing 13 times 11. 3 times 1 is 3, 1 times 1 is 1. Bring down the 0, 3, 1, add these guys up, 3, 4, 1. 13 times 11 is 143. Multiply that by 3. 3 times 3 is 9. 4 times 3 is 12. 3 times 1, okay. So that gives me 429. Not my answer. B is going to be right. If we want to double check just to know for sure that we're right and we didn't make a mistake somewhere else, notice that this one contains 11 squared. So what that means, and I don't know why I put that multiplication symbol there, that it's an extra 11. So what you might want to do is just 429 times 11, just to see if you get this value. 9 times 1 is 9, 2 times 1 is 2, 4 times 1 is 4. Then 9, 2, 4. Add these up, 9, 11, 7, 4. All right, now I would say if we are trying to be efficient with our time, we probably wouldn't want to go ahead and test that answer out. But if you're unsure for whatever reason, then that's a really great option. Now, you might have done this using a factor tree, and I do think that that is fine. But again, you can use the answer choices to figure it out. So being that 3 is a number in all of them, I would start by dividing 4,719 by 3, and then so on and so forth. All right, so this is going to be my solution for you today. If you have questions on this, as always, please let me know. Otherwise, give this video a like, subscribe, join me on Instagram if you are over there. Let me know what questions you have, and we will talk soon. I'll see you in the next set of questions.